Hello everyone, welcome to Suman's Academy. Today we are going to learn about phrases. But do you remember what is a sentence? A group of words that makes a complete sense is called as sentence. When we are having a group of words and that is giving you a complete meaning, it is called as sentence. For example, I have an apple. Here you can understand the meaning that I have an apple. So I have an apple is called as sentence. When a group of words that make sense but is not a complete sentence, it is called as phrase. Same example we will go through. If I say an apple, you will not understand the meaning an apple. So these words are called as phrases. A phrase does not convey complete sense. Phrase does not give you complete meaning. It does not have a subject and a verb. In phrase, you will not have a subject and a verb. In the sentence which I spoke, I have an apple. Here the subject was I and the verb was have. An apple is a phrase. So I have an apple is a sentence, and if I say an apple, it is not a sentence but it is phrase. So what is a phrase? A group of words that make sense but is not complete. An apple is not complete, so it is called as phrase. Here in this picture, if I say naughty boy, you will not get the full meaning by hearing naughty boy. So naughty boy is phrase, and if I say Philip is a naughty boy, you can understand, yes, Philip is a naughty boy. Remember, a sentence has subject, verb, object. Subject Philip, verb is, object a naughty boy. So a sentence gives you complete meaning. Phrase gives you incomplete meaning. In the next picture, if I say in the east, you will not get the complete meaning in the east. But if I say the sun rises in the east, you can understand, yes, sun rises in the east. A sentence has subject, verb and object. Subject sun, verb rises, object in the east. So a sentence gives you complete meaning. Phrase gives you incomplete meaning. In the next picture, if I say in the garden, you cannot understand the meaning by hearing in the garden, incomplete. So it is phrase. But if I say they are in the garden, you can understand the meaning by hearing they are in the garden. So they are in the garden is sentence, and in the garden is phrase. Remember, sentence gives you complete meaning and phrase gives you incomplete meaning. In the next picture, if I say on the chair, you cannot understand the meaning on the chair, incomplete. So it is called as phrase. But if I say the boy sits on the chair, you can understand the meaning by hearing the boy sits on the chair. So a sentence gives you complete meaning and phrase gives you incomplete meaning. Let us revise. A group of words that makes complete sense is called as sentence. When we are having a group of words and that is making a complete sense, it is called as sentence. A group of words that make sense but is not complete is called as phrase. When you are having a group of words that can give you sense but is not a complete, it is called as phrase. Here we have a test series to check your mind. So the first question is, there are 5 birds and the options are out of the cage, on the tree. So what do you think the right answer is? The time starts. 3, 2, 1, and the right answer is on the tree. There are 5 birds on the tree. The next question is, the baby is crawling. Options are on the ground without any care. 3, 2, 1, and the right answer is the baby is crawling on the ground. The next question is, I saw my teacher going. Options are from the house last Wednesday. So what do you think the answer is? And your time starts now. 3, 2, 1. So the right answer is from the house. I saw my teacher going from the house. The next question is, Rohit was shocked when he saw his bird flying. Options are on the tree, out of the cage. What do you think the answer is? Your time starts. 3, 2, and 1. So the right answer is out of the cage. Rohit was shocked when he saw his bird flying out of the cage. The next question is, I went to cinema. Options are last Wednesday, from the house. What do you think the answer is? Your time started. 3, 2, and 1. So the right answer is, I went to cinema last Wednesday. The next question is, she is doing her homework on the ground without any care. What do you think the right answer is? She is doing her homework. 3, 2, and 1. So the right answer is without any care. She is doing her homework without any care. Luck Gray lived in a forest. Options are on the tree, across the river. What do you think the right answer is? So the time 3, 2, and 1. So the right answer is across the river. Luck Gray lived in a forest across the river.